Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your SpayLater balance to GCash. Now, there's no official or direct way to send SpayLater funds to GCash since it's meant specifically for Shopee purchases. But there's a simple workaround that many people use to cash out to GCash, and I'll walk you through it. First, you need to buy GCash load or top up from Shopee sellers. Open your Shopee app and use the search bar at the top to look for GCash load or GCash top up. Make sure to pick a seller with high ratings and good reviews to ensure a smooth transaction. Once you select a seller, click on their listing and enter your GCash number carefully. Double check it to make sure the funds go to the right account. At checkout, choose SpayLater as your payment method. After the payment is confirmed, the seller will instantly send the load to your GCash account. Keep in mind that there's usually a small service fee. For example, a 1,000 peso load might have around a 50 peso fee, depending on the seller. That's a trade-off for using this convenient workaround. And that's it. Using this method, you can effectively convert your SpayLater balance into GCash quickly and safely. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.